Hello and welcome to my eBay listing today. Today I am listing the ABS brake pipes for a Yamaha 2004 FJR 1300. There's the pipes, goes to the ABS unit, to your brake master cylinder, to the rear wheels, front wheels. Self-explanatory. Comes off the ABS model, so these are the ABS pipes. They're on a buy it now price, but with all my listings, if you think I'm charging too much and this is the part that you want, then give me a call on the number below, talk to me and you maybe have a deal. But there they are there, the ABS brake pipes for the Yamaha FJR 1300. So happy bidding.